Have you ever wondered why Japan always seems to be living in the future? While in your city everyone competes for the same businesses, in the land of the rising sun, they use technology that no one here has even seen. Today, you will discover Japanese machines that are ready to transform local economies in 2026. They are high-efficiency solutions that will allow you to offer unique services before anyone else. Discover the future right now? To open this list with strength, we begin with the desktop injection molding machine, the miniature version of the giant presses used in Japan's automotive factories. This engineering marvel makes it possible to manufacture solid and functional plastic parts by injecting molten polymer at high pressure into steel or aluminum molds. Unlike 3D printing, which is slow and leaves visible layer marks, injection molding allows you to produce hundreds of identical parts per hour with a perfect surface finish and structural mechanical strength. It is the ultimate tool for manufacturing everything from electronic components to customized accessories with export quality standards. What makes this technology a goldmine in 2026 is that it allows you to recycle local plastic, such as bottle caps or industrial waste, to create new, high-value products. On platforms like Alibaba, these compact machines, which run on standard household power of 110 volts or 220 volts, can be found at prices ranging from $800 to $1,300. It is like having the power of a Japanese industrial plant on your office desk, allowing you to enter spare parts or mass prototyping markets with a minimal investment. By the way, if you are passionate about discovering these technological gems before anyone else, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the trends that are transforming the market. Now, entering the world of fashion, Japanese precision textile printing machines are redefining the industry. Unlike conventional printers, these systems use high-end piezoelectric printhead technology that enables ink injection with micron-level precision. This translates into perfect gradients and color fidelity that looks like a photograph printed on fabric. Whether through DTF, direct-to-film, or industrial sublimation, these machines are designed to operate for long hours with minimal maintenance, something Japanese engineers have perfected to maximize the profitability of small workshops. The real opportunity here lies in the durability of the print, which withstands hundreds of washes without losing intensity, far surpassing the local competition. On platforms like Alibaba, you can find these high-end textile printing stations at prices ranging from $1,200 to $2,500. It is the leap from being a regular printer to becoming a premium clothing supplier for brands that demand international quality. But if your thing is construction and interior design, the next tool is the best-kept secret of cabinet makers in Japan for achieving finishes that seem impossible to do by hand. To elevate the quality of any furniture project to the Osaka standard, we have the manual edge banding machine. In traditional woodworking, finishing the edges of a board is a tedious task and prone to errors. But this portable Japanese tool turns the process into a smooth and precise movement. The machine applies hot melt adhesive at the exact right temperature while pressing the edge banding tape, PVC, wood, or melamine, against the board, sealing it hermetically. The result is a piece with a finish so clean that it looks like it came off a large-scale industrial production line. What makes this machine a smart investment for 2026 is its versatility. Unlike stationary edge banders that take up square meters of space, this manual version allows you to work with curved pieces or irregular shapes with astonishing ease. On platforms like Alibaba, these precision units can be found at prices ranging from $350 to $600. It is the secret for a small workshop to deliver furniture with a clean and minimalist aesthetic that is so admired in Japanese design. And moving from wood to a social experience that is a pillar of modern culture in Tokyo, the next machine does not produce objects, but moments. It is a business model that runs on its own and is about to invade our cities. Get ready, because this is a profitability craze that is sweeping across Asia. We are talking about private karaoke booths. But forget that noisy bar concept. This is the Japanese self-service model taken to the extreme. They are high-tech soundproof cubicles, equipped with premium audio systems, 4K screens, and rhythmic LED lights, designed for 2 or 3 people to live a private concert experience. The best part is that they do not require staff. They operate with an automatic payment system where the user scans a code, pays by the minute, and the booth activates on its own. It is literally a money printing machine that works 24/7 in shopping malls or train stations. From a technical standpoint, These units are marvels of space engineering. They feature silent ventilation, professional-grade acoustic installation, and cloud-based software that updates itself with the latest global hits. On Alibaba, you can import these complete entertainment stations at prices ranging from $1,500 to $3,000. If you have unused space in a high-traffic area, this Japanese machine is the fastest way to turn square footage into consistent passive income with a futuristic aesthetic that attracts everyone. And what if we move from music to something much more cold and scientific? The next machine is pure applied physics and has applications ranging from industrial cleaning to molecular gastronomy. If you like the visual effect of dense white smoke, you are going to love this. We enter the world of extreme cold with a dry ice production machine. This piece of Japanese engineering is capable of taking liquid carbon dioxide and, through a process of rapid expansion and hydraulic compression, transforming it into pellets or solid blocks at a temperature of 78 degrees below zero. What in Japan is a standard for preserving fresh food and for cryogenic engine cleaning is still a virgin market in our cities with enormous potential. The most incredible part is its versatility. You can sell this material to medical laboratories, food logistics companies, or even to the cocktail and events industry to create that spectacular fog effect. These high-performance compact machines are designed to be operated safely and easily, and you can find them on Alibaba at prices ranging from $800 to $1,700. It is a technology that allows you to manufacture a product that disappears. It literally sublimates, which guarantees that your clients will always have to come back for more. But if you think dry ice is sophisticated, get ready for the next machine, because we are going to mix nature with the most advanced environmental monitoring technology. We are going to talk about a business that is pure aesthetics, calm, and visual profitability. We move into high-precision aquaculture with systems for ornamental fish farms. In Japan, breeding species such as lineage goldfish or koi carp is almost a religion, and to achieve it, they have developed miniature recirculating aquaculture systems, RAS, that are true technological gems. We are not talking about a common fish tank, but about automated stations that control pH, ammonia levels, and water temperature with laboratory precision, allowing you to breed top-quality specimens in surprisingly small spaces. What makes this business a goldmine for 2026 is the market value of these species. A single fish with the right genetics and coloration can be worth hundreds of dollars. These Japanese systems use advanced biological filtration and UV lights to keep the water crystal clear and free of pathogens without using harsh chemicals. On Alibaba, you can find modular production kits at prices ranging from $700 to $1,500. It is the perfect opportunity to set up a boutique hatchery at home and supply premium pet stores with a quality standard that no one else can offer. But what would a luxury product be without packaging to match? The next machine is small and quiet, but it has the power to turn an ordinary gift into an unboxing experience worthy of the most exclusive boutiques. Attention to detail lovers, because we are talking about the ribbon printing machine, the best-kept secret of florists and luxury boutiques in Tokyo. This small engineering gem uses high-resolution thermal transfer technology to print logos, names, or personalized messages directly onto satin, silk, or polyamide ribbons. In Japan, the art of packaging is as important as the gift itself. And this machine allows any local business to elevate its brand to the level of a high-fashion house, printing in metallic colors, gold tones, or even with embossed effects that are impossible to achieve with traditional methods. The best part of this tool is its technical simplicity and its extremely low operating cost. It uses ribbon rolls, dry ink, that are transferred through heat, which means the printing is instant, does not smudge, and has a spectacular shine. On platforms like Alibaba or AliExpress, these compact units are available at prices ranging from $250 to $500. It is a minimal investment for a service that is charged with an extremely high profit margin. Ideal for the wedding market, corporate events, and luxury packaging that in 2026 will not stop growing. But get ready, because from the delicacy of a silk ribbon, we are going to move to a power that literally rips dirt out from the root. The next machine uses a cleaning technology that, in Japan, is standard for its respect for the environment and its brutal efficiency. We make a radical shift toward pure power with the steam pressure washing machine. Forget conventional pressure washers that soak everything and waste gallons of water. Japanese engineering has perfected the use of dry, saturated steam. This machine heats water to extreme temperatures under controlled pressure, blasting a jet that instantly disintegrates grease, mold, and bacteria. It is the ultimate tool in Japan for automotive engine detailing and the disinfection of industrial kitchens because it cleans and sterilizes simultaneously without the need for abrasive chemicals. What makes it a brilliant business opportunity for 2026 is its eco-friendly profile. You can clean an entire engine using just a couple of liters of water. Technically, they feature high-resistance stainless steel boilers and smart pressure sensors that guarantee a constant flow. On Alibaba, you can get these professional steam units for amounts ranging from $600 to $1,100. It is a premium service that barely exists in our cities and that clients are willing to pay much more for because of the level of care it offers to their belongings. But if you think mastering water and heat is impressive, wait until you see how Japan is taking the ancient art of pottery into the 21st century. The next machine takes a material as old as the earth and shapes it with a robotic precision that will leave you stunned. That's right, we are referring to the fascinating world of 3D printing for ceramics, where Japanese artisanal tradition meets additive manufacturing. This machine replaces plastic with a clay or ceramic paste mixture with the exact density to be extruded through a precision nozzle. What makes this technology a revolution in 2026 is its ability to create complex geometries, parametric textures, and hollow structures that a human potter would take days to shape, or that would simply be impossible to achieve on a traditional wheel. From a technical standpoint, these printers use a compressed air propulsion system or a lead screw mechanism to push the ceramic material steadily, ensuring that each layer adheres perfectly to the previous one. Once the piece is printed, it only requires the conventional drying and firing process to become a piece of art or high-resistance functional tableware. On Alibaba, you can find these specialized units at prices ranging from $800 to $1,500. It is the perfect business for designers who want to launch exclusive home decor collections with a unique technological signature. But this does not end here because we are going to move from solid art to something that feels like a cloud on the palate. The next machine is an icon on the streets of Hokkaido and uses refrigeration engineering so precise that it completely redefines what we know as a frozen dessert. Be careful with this one, because it is a true machine for generating lines of customers. And we are talking about the high creaminess, soft serve ice cream machine, but under the technical standard of Hokkaido. It is not the typical machine you see in fast food locations. Japanese engineering has perfected the air injection and micro-freezing system. These machines use a high-efficiency cooling cylinder and stainless steel beaters designed to achieve a perfect overrun, aeration, which creates a silky texture that does not melt instantly and has a much more intense flavor. What will make your business stand out in 2026 is that these units allow you to work with high-density mixes, such as premium oat milk or authentic matcha, without clogging. On a technical level, they feature inverter compressors that save 30% energy and thermal self-cleaning systems that comply with Japan's strictest health regulations. On Alibaba, you can import these dessert stations at prices ranging from $1,000 to $2,200. It is the perfect window business model: little space, high profit margin, and a visually irresistible product. But what if you want to sell not only ice cream but literally anything without having to be there? The next technology is the reason why in Japan you can buy everything from hot ramen to fresh flowers at 3 in the morning on a lonely corner. Get ready for the future of retail. These are 24/7 automated stores, but forget those old machines that jam when dropping a bag of chips. In Japan, these machines are intelligent microstores with zone-based climate control technology and elevator delivery systems. This allows the product not to fall by gravity, but to be gently transported to the tray, which opens the door to selling everything from fragile tech devices to gourmet hot meals. Thanks to integrated microwave modules that activate right at the moment of purchase. What makes them a goldmine for 2026 is their remote management capability through artificial intelligence. The machine notifies you in real time on your phone which product is selling the most, and when it needs to be restocked, allowing you to operate a business with 0 employees. On Alibaba, you can find these next-generation units with giant touchscreens and multi-currency payment systems at prices ranging from $2,000 to $3,500. It is like having a perfect employee who never rests, never gets sick, and sells in the smallest corner of your city. But if you think selling food is profitable, Wait until you see how Japanese technology is hacking the beauty industry with digital precision that feels like science fiction. The next machine does in seconds what takes a professional hours. This is cutting-edge technology applied to aesthetics. The automatic nail printing machine is the Japanese answer to the high demand for instant customization. Imagine an inkjet printer, but meticulously calibrated to work on curved and organic surfaces. Thanks to a high-resolution optical sensor, the machine scans the exact shape and contour of the customer's nail to automatically center the design, applying special cosmetic-grade inks that dry instantly. What truly blows your mind in 2026 is that anyone can upload a photo from their phone, a landscape, a pet, or a complex pattern, and the machine reproduces it on the nail with photographic fidelity that would be impossible to achieve. Freehand even for the best artist in the world. On a technical level, it uses micron-level print heads, which guarantee ultra-fine details in an area of barely 1 square centimeter. On AliExpress, you can find these digital stations at amounts ranging from $500 to $850. It is the perfect complement for beauty salons or even kiosks in shopping malls that want to offer a flash service with a massive profit margin. But not everything is aesthetics. Japan is also leading the urban mobility revolution. The next infrastructure is the backbone of smart cities and the ideal business for those betting on clean energy. We dive straight into the infrastructure of the future: electric bicycle charging stations. In Japan, micromobility is not a trend, it is a necessity, and they have designed charging totems that are true energy management hubs. These stations are not simple outlets. They feature intelligent charge controllers that detect the exact voltage of each battery to prevent overheating and optimize lithium lifespan. It is the perfect solution for 2026, where cities are saturated with delivery riders and electric mobility users who need fast and safe juice in the middle of their workday. What makes this business brilliant is its passive monetization model. These stations include high-brightness LED screens for digital advertising and integrated payment systems, NFC or QR, that charge for every minute of use. Technically, they are modular and weather-resistant, designed to take up minimal space on a sidewalk or parking area. On Alibaba, you can import these smart totems at prices ranging from $1,200 to $2,500. You are installing the equivalent of a gas station of the future in a corner of your city where no one else is offering this essential service. But what would a video about Japan be without talking about its most famous food? The last machine on our list is, literally, a mechanical engineer turned chef. Get ready because this machine is about to industrialize the most sacred art of Japanese cuisine. We close this list with the best-kept secret of major food chains in Tokyo: the automatic sushi machine, specifically the Nigiri robot. This is not a simple rice shaper. It is a masterpiece of biomechanics. Japanese engineers managed to replicate the exact movement of a master adame's hand, ensuring that each rice ball has the precise pressure to stay firm on the outside, but with the internal air needed to melt in the mouth. This machine can produce up to 2,400 pieces per hour, something humanly impossible, maintaining absolute hygiene and an exact weight in every unit. What makes this technology a goldmine in 2026 is that it eliminates the need to hire ultra-specialized chefs for high-turnover businesses or catering services. Technically, it features food-grade Teflon coatings so the rice does not stick and heat sensors that keep the grain at the ideal serving temperature. On Alibaba, you can find these sushi robots at prices ranging from $1,500 to $3,000. It is the ultimate tool to democratize high-quality sushi and set up a Japanese fast food business with overwhelming industrial efficiency. Japan shows us once again that the future is not about working harder, but about working smarter with the right technology. Any of these machines has the potential to turn a small corner into a steady source of income, simply by bringing solutions that already work on the other side of the world to a place where no one else has seen them. If you are passionate about technology and want to be the first to start a business with these trends, tell me in the comments. Which of these Japanese machines do you think would have the most success in your city? I will be reading your ideas for the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next release.